In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos through Gmail. This is an extremely useful skill, whether you're looking to share memories with friends and family or sending important work files to colleagues. So, let's get started and explore how you can easily send those large video files via Gmail. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Gmail website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't already have a Gmail account, you'll need to create one, which involves entering your personal details and selecting a secure password. After you've successfully logged in, the main inbox interface will appear before you. Look towards the top left corner of the screen. There's a Compose button that allows you to start drafting a new email. Click on this button and a new message window will pop up, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. In the To field, you'll want to enter the recipient's email address. If you denote multiple people to receive the video, you can separate their addresses with a comma. Next, focus on the subject line. It's essential to fill this out with a brief description of what your email is about, so the recipient knows to prioritize it. Now, in the main body of your email, you can type out any message or details regarding the video you are sending. Provide context or instructions if necessary, because a clear message can enhance understanding and response times. But now, let's get down to the main task of attaching your video file. Locate the paperclip icon at the bottom of the new email window. This represents email attachments. Clicking on this icon will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to the video file you wish to send. Choose the file, and it will automatically begin uploading as an attachment to your email. A small thumbnail preview typically appears in your email to indicate the file is ready to send. There is one crucial note. Gmail has a file size limit of 25 MB. If your video file exceeds this limit, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive and insert a link in your email to the file in Google Drive. Ensure that your privacy settings in Google Drive allow the recipient to access or download the file. You can adjust this by right-clicking on the file in Google Drive, selecting Share, and modifying the permissions accordingly. Once everything is set, go over your email one last time to ensure accuracy, and then you can press the Send button, which will dispatch your email along with the video attachment to the recipient. And that's it. By following these steps, your video will soon be on its way through the digital clouds, ready to reach anyone you choose. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful as you continue to share your media files with ease using Gmail.